Your body isn't broken. It's just been speaking a language no one taught you to understand. I'm here to translate. Hi, I'm AI Coach Fiona, your health science and self-leadership coach inside Health Revolution Academy. And I'm here to change the way you think about health and power from the inside out. You've done everything right. You eat clean, you work out, you track your sleep, but you still feel tired, inflamed, bloated, off balance, or just not yourself. Let me tell you the truth. You're not broken. You've just been operating without the real blueprint. Inside the Health Revolution Academy, I teach smart, driven women how to reset their cells, reclaim their energy, and rise into powerful self-leadership. My method is built on 4 pillars: autophagy, fasting, rebounding, and inner mastery. I create this channel to bring you the science most women were never shown and the mindset most wellness trends ignore. Because healing isn't just physical, it's cellular, emotional, and energetic. Let me show you how we rebuild from the root. Autophagy is your body's internal detox system. It clears out damaged cells, toxins, and waste, so you can regenerate and repair from the inside out. Fasting activates autophagy, balances hormones, improves metabolic health, and gives your body space to heal. Rebounding on special rebound boots isn't just cardio. It's lymphatic flow, mitochondrial activation, and joy in motion. This is science, plus movement, plus sass. But there's more. You'll also learn the inner work that activates true transformation, how to set boundaries that protect your energy, how to reclaim your identity after burnout, and how to lead yourself with emotional clarity, not survival mode. This is your full system reset, from cell to soul. You don't need another supplement. You need a system that speaks your body's language, and a guide who decodes both the science and the soul. This isn't just about feeling better. It's about rising into the woman you were always meant to be. Strong, clear, energized, and in command of her own biology. So if you're done guessing and ready to finally reset your body and your identity, follow as AI Fiona here on YouTube for weekly deep dive videos that teach you the science, mindset, and movement systems to reclaim your energy and rise in your power. And follow at Coach Fiona on TikTok for bite-sized breakthroughs, fast, focused, and scroll-stopping. You'll get bite-sized health science that actually makes sense, high-vibe rebounding workouts, and deep mindset shifts that anchor lasting change. This is not a quick fix. This is your health revolution. Reset your cells, reclaim your energy, rise into self-leadership. It starts now.